Hi guys, welcome to Chenny Taste. Today I will show you how to grind a fine idli dosa batter using ultra fast grinder. See, this is ultra fast grinder. In this model, the important feature we can see is timer. So now we can see how it works. Before grinding, we can see the parts of the grinder. These are the two grinding stones. See how it is, and this is the drum, and this is the plug. So I washed the drum and grinding stones, everything, and fix it like this. So now it is ready for grinding the rice. So before grinding the rice, for making the idli dosa batter, we need to soak the ingredients. So I am taking 1 kg of idli rice and 100 grams of raw rice and wash it well and soak it for 5 hours. And for making urad dal batter, we need to soak 200 grams of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. 1 or 1 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. See, I am taking the ingredients and now I am setting the timer. So I am setting 13 minutes for grinding the urad dal batter. I am adding water into this and exactly this is the one we need to fix it. After 13 minutes completed, the batter is very good. You can see how the batter is. It takes only 13 minutes for grinding this urad dal batter. So now I am grinding the rice batter. It took 15 minutes for me. See the rice batter, how it is. So now I am going to mix the two batters and adding 2 teaspoons of salt in this and mix it well and keep it for minimum 5 hours for fermentation process. So now it's ready for making idlis. See how the idlis are. It's a fluffy and spongy idlis. Thanks for watching Chenny Taste. Bye bye.